It all began as a bet between two good friends.
I used to work out, but I would fall off during the summertime. So we made a bet, like if I come 3 times a week, just continue to come and don't stop.
And then this soon became a way of life for George.
It's a challenge, but it's what you do.
And when he's in the zone of training,
I go to a place, I think about everything that I want, and think about all the encouragement I get from people, and I just use it as fuel, and I achieve my goals.
He's competed in several pro shows around the country, taking 1st, 2nd, and 7th place finishes. At last year's Arnold, he placed 9th.
It's a 24-hour thing. Like, this is the easy part, coming to the gym. You're here for about an hour, maybe 2 hours. But for the other 22 hours every day, you're constantly making the right choices on foods that you put in your body. So that's the part that they don't get.
It's taken a lot of discipline to fine-tune his body. But along the way, he realized spending those countless hours at the gym wasn't all about competition, muscles, and sculpting. It was also about something else.
You apply it to life. So when you come in, it teaches you how to work hard, how to push through tough times. You don't get everything at once. You can't make any excuses for food you put in your mouth. You just use these same aspects to life.
A life dedicated to competition and being the best.
My thing is, for people who are nervous or anything like that, you take care of that by doing what you're supposed to do. So if I do everything I'm supposed to do, there's nothing else I can do. After that, I just take my confidence into the competition and let the chips fall where they may.